Now we like to show you different illustrated one-cable automation examples. Starting with the first application, this application demonstrated the star topology with various kinds of automation devices. On one hand, we have the Atro robot, which needs B40 for 40 amps in plus EtherCAT. We have the camera system, which needs EtherCAT-P communication plus 10 amps, which can be solved by an B12 connector, but also different kinds of data modules, form factors, which we have to use in the servo motor AM8000. There will be a 2-pin data module, and this mix of different signals and power types are mechanical coded, and this will protect you for misconnecting or mismatching. The next topology is a chained system, so a daisy chain system, which is inline, so that means inline topology. And this second example of a daisy chain system have also the same, containing also the same connector family, which are used for connection between the individual cells, but also within the cells to connect the different kinds of automation systems like EPP boxes or a Delta robot. And if we talk about retrofitting or integrate new systems, like we can see here, a monitoring system with a camera, it's also as simple as this slide shows. Last but not least, a schematic illustration of future cabling. Here you can see simplified connection of almost all automation devices. The connection can have every kind of topology, as you see a few slides before. The big advantage of this connector family is downwards and upwards synergy. That means reliability. Summarizing this system is future-orientated, which is flanked by the security of supply through the IEC standardization.